Welcome to Pyramid Bill channel. Are you still not aware of the black points on your driving license? It's easy way can able to check your black points. Yes. To know about your black points, just download Dubai Police app from Apple Store or Google Play Store and log in using your UAE pass. After login, now you can see your profile with picture. Just tap on the traffic on your dashboard. You will see the summary of your traffic files. It will show the total number of tickets on your file, the number of black points on it, and the take amount of the fines is you need to pay. Just first know about what all comes under the black points. While some violation like driving over the speed limit or incorrect parking can lead to the monetary fines, a motorist can get anywhere between 4 to a maximum of 24 black points. If driver committed any violation and case transferred to the UAE courts and your license got suspended. To get more important information, just subscribe Pyramid Bell channel.